Hey guys, this is Apple Tech Review. Windows 11 is finally here. Today I want us to review Windows 11 best cool features. We all know Windows 10 was the best and we are considering it as one of the best choice among the Windows. So today I want us to review Windows 11. We see the best features, for example, new store, gestures, animations, new action center, new notifications. So guys, let us take a look at 8 best cool features of Windows 11. In number 8 we have new Microsoft Store. We all knew it was coming and it's finally here. As you can see, it has a new layout and it was created to be faster, and the search is now better. So the Microsoft has made it more interesting. Now you can use it without getting bored like in previous Microsoft Store. It was not fast, it was boring. So now it has been working on this, and as it was previously updated that the new Windows we shall receive new Microsoft Store. So finally, Android apps. As you know, previously you couldn't run most of the apps on Windows 10, but now they have made it so easy. You can run any application, any from either Amazon app, from Google Play, any Android app. Now you can run it on Windows 11 without facing any challenges. So you can now download any app you want on Windows 11. It runs it properly without any failure. As you can see, TikTok, any other apps you want. In number 6 we have new Snap. So guys, this is also cool as it gives you different options about how you want to snap the windows. What is more interesting, Windows will keep remembering these layouts even if you switch to another app. So you don't need to close the windows or application. You can use this feature to do multitasks job on a single PC, on a single monitor. In number 5 we have multiple desktop. This is awesome, especially when you are using single monitor to do multitask work. So you can simply switch to another desktop without plugging and plug out cables to another desktop. So from here on the taskbar, the icon is there. You can use it to switch to another, especially for example if you are maybe gaming at the same time you are editing or you are watching. So you can just use this feature to simply switch from one program to another program. Then in number 4 we have gaming features. So this Windows has been also upgraded to suit gamers. There is this feature of automatic switching to HDR. So if your graphics or if your monitor is not perfect, or when the game is not perfect, it will assist you to change the graphics or to improve the high definitions of the gaming. So as you can see on the screen, this is the sample, one of the sample how it can assist you. As you can see on the right side, HDR. That's how it is in Windows 11. In number 3 we have gestures. Guys, for me, I like these gestures, especially like in Android, where you can use your phone to do anything using your fingertips. So this has been also improved in the Windows. If you have a touch monitor, you can it will immediately recognize what you want by using some of the gestures. Yeah, you swipe right, you swipe left, like those gestures which wasn't available in Windows 10. Yeah, so cool feature. I like it. In number two, we have Windows widgets, transparency, and the glassy design. Actually, this is one of the features which has changed Windows 11 to look different, especially in the appearance, the glassy design. I don't know whether it's the suitable word, but if you can see on the screen, the glassy design has made it to look different, especially if you compare with Windows 8, Windows 10, Windows 7. It has made it look more different than from other Windows. So it's also good. You can design your Windows, your desktop the way you want. Swipe here, put the widget the one you want inside. Yeah, and the transparency also, it makes it to look unique. Yeah, when you open any window, that transparency which appears, it has made it also appear different and more interesting, more attractive. Yeah. Then in number one, I have Microsoft Teams. Yeah, Microsoft Teams, as you know, this feature was commonly used for businesses in these big companies. But it seems Microsoft wants to market it or replace it with Skype, because as we all know that Skype is the one which was commonly used for video calling. But now this Microsoft term, they have built it. It has come built in the Windows, so that shows that they are trying to market it or to replace it with Skype, as I can say. Yeah, but commonly this Microsoft terms, we have been using it for business chatting and yeah, like that. Yeah, so yeah guys, so those are the most cool features. Yeah, and the more extra cool feature I can tell you is also which has made it also to look different is Windows start menu. Yeah, Windows start menu also has it comes as default in the center in the text bar, so you can also change it, shift it to any side. So it has also made this Windows 11 to look different and more attractive, and it has also more things which you can play with, and you like it. I'm sure it's a nice one. All right guys, leave your comment down below, and thanks for watching.